Okay, solve each equation and check your answer. This one is a little tricky, maybe a little trickier for you in that there's this negative and then parentheses. You need to distribute that negative through to get the parentheses gone. And negative times 5 is negative 5. Negative times negative r is positive r. So we've got 2r minus 5 plus r equals, this is what was already there, 13 plus 2r. We need to combine like terms. 2r and r become 3r, so 3r minus 5 equals, again, what was already there, 13 plus 2r. Now, getting back to what I had earlier said, if we're going to move stuff around to get the variables on one side, let's take away this 2r, because taking away 2r from this side will leave us just with r, minus 5, r minus 5. But taking it away, you can see these two combine. 3r minus 2r is just r. Now we're down to a single one of the variable. So r minus 5 equals, these cancel out, 13. Excuse me. So what's happening to r? We have 5 being subtracted from it. The inverse operation is plus 5. So we take what's already there and write plus 5 after it. Take what's already there and write plus 5 after it. And r equals 18. Okay? So to do our proof, take the original equation unchanged, and wherever there was a variable, we write parentheses. If there was parentheses already around that variable, we put brackets where they were. Okay, so say, since r is equal to 18, we say 2 parentheses 18 minus, these become brackets, 5 minus, here's an r, so we put parentheses 18, close these brackets, equals 13 plus 2 times, there was an r, so we put parentheses, and 18 inside. Okay, now we start to simplify. What do we simplify? Well, we should simplify what's in these grouping symbols here. Okay, and since I know things won't interact until a later step, I can simplify this as well. 2 times 18 is 36. These two become negative 13. So I've got 13 minus negative 30, I'm sorry, 36 minus negative 13. This 13 plus 2 times 18 is 36. Okay? And I know that subtracting a negative is the same as adding a positive. So this is the same as 36 plus 13, which is 49. And these two over here, 13 plus 36 equals 49. Since 49 equals 49, that's proper proof, and we're done.